Hi guys, I hope you all are fine. So today we will talk about cash in hand company. So in this video I'm going to tell about what cash in hand company is all about. Okay, so the mission of cash in hand company is we will always ensure engage in activities that will eradicate poverty by empowering our partners to move up to the next level in life. And now the vision of the company is to be dream achievers and a network search out for innovative ways to build up our organization to achieve high quality of life. So now the here question is how to place ID. So here registration is free, and once you done the registration part, your ID will appear in red color. But here your ID is deactivate. So what to do to activate your ID? So to activate your ID, you have to purchase top-up pin of ₹100 which is provided by the company. After that, your ID will appear in yellow color and now your ID is activate. After that, one link will appear in your ID and that is for the payment of ₹500. This ₹500 is to give help. So now the question is to whom we have to pay. So the detail of the concerned person whom you have to pay will appear in your ID. So you have to check the details and you have to make payment on that particular number through PhonePe, Google Pay or Paytm. Once you make the payment, the receiver will accept that payment and now your ID will appear in green color. Now you are eligible to earn growth income daily. But the condition is that you have to place one ID in your direct. Once you place one direct ID, you will be eligible to earn ₹100 daily for 20 days. So now the question is how can I withdraw my money? So the minimum withdrawal amount is 500 and the maximum is 2000. So if I talk about income, so in this company there are 5 types of income. So the first one is growth income, second direct income, third binary income, fourth star income, and the last one, fifth is rebinary income. So let's first discuss about growth income. So here we will understood by column. Let's put first column as ID, second column as investment, and third column as day income. So let's suppose if we put one ID of ₹500, we will be getting ₹2000. And if we put two ID, the investment amount will be 1000 and the income will be 4000. And the second income is direct income. So in this income you will get ₹100 for per direct. So now the third income is binary income. In this income you will get ₹100 for one pair. But there is a one condition in binary income, that is capping. 20 pair capping per day. Next, the fourth income is star income. So in this income your capping will increase. So for 500 pair your capping will increase by 2500. For 1000 pair your capping will increase by 3000. And for 5000 pair, your capping will increase by 5000. So the last income is rebinary income. In this income, once you complete your 20 days, you will again top up your ID to restart your growth income. And your team will again top up their ID to start their growth income. So for this, again you will be receiving binary income. That's why this income called as rebinary income.